Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to apply Profit Boost in Hard Rock Bet using your phone. Let's get started. First, open the Hard Rock Bet app on your phone and make sure you are logged into your account. Next, choose the sport or bet you want to bet on. Tap the match or game to see all the betting options. Tap on the team or outcome you want to bet on. It will automatically appear in your bet slip at the bottom of your screen. In your bet slip, look for the Profit Boost button. Sometimes it has a lightning icon. Tap the button to activate Profit Boost for that bet. This will increase your potential payout if your bet wins. Check your bet slip to see the update potential winning. Make sure the amount and the profit boost are applied correctly. You can also adjust your amount before placing the bet. When everything looks good, tap place bet. It will confirm your bet and the profit boost is now active. You can check your open bets anytime in the app. Once the event ends, your winnings included the boosted amount be added to your account. And that's all. You have just learned how to apply profit boost in Hard Rock Bet on your phone. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.